need a number 10 shirt.
We're trying to fix it.
Alright, so we're here with Bobby Reid. First of all, congrats on scoring again for Jamaica. Also, you almost scored 2 spectacular ones again. Before we even talk about today's game, what is with you on scoring these ridiculous goals, man?
I don't know. I take a chance sometimes, trust my ability, trust my technique, and actually I've scored a couple of good goals. But not necessarily about the good goals. I want to get in areas where I'm getting tap-ins, I'm getting easier goals, and pride myself on that. So I'll continue to do so. Hopefully I'll get more spectacular goals, but my bread and butter is getting tap-ins and getting around box finish.
A couple of weeks ago, we'd have seen you lead out Fulham. For me, it was a proud moment. You can ask everybody around me. I was sending the pictures all about it.
Yeah.
A Jamaican international captain of Premier League. First of all, that did a lot for us as fans. But what do you feel for you walking out in the Premier League with the captain?
It was mixed surreal. Obviously doing it away at Arsenal, obviously a big stadium, big club. And obviously for the manager to have faith in me to lead the team out. I pride myself on being a leader and helping those around me. So it was nice to do that and achieve that in my career. And hopefully I can do it again.
And how do you think that experience translated to this most recent international win, playing 2 games for us?
To be fair, listen, I feel like I'm a leader on the pitch level. I've got the arm and my time to help with my experience for those around me. I'm trying to come out here and try to help the players that I've played out here and try to help them and guide them on how to deal with certain situations. And it's difficult at times, but like we said today, like we've seen today, we stuck at it, down, still had the mentality to stick together. Come on the second half to try to change that. We did, got the 2 goals, maybe should have went on to win the game. But like I said, we've got a fighting spirit and a squad show character.
And before I even ask you about today's performance, there's something that I wanted to talk to you about Friday. You are robbed, Bobby, and it was clear and there. Watching the replay, first of all, in the moment, did you know you were onside?
I believe I was onside, yeah. I couldn't see how I was onside. But listen, that's gone now. Just keep getting the same positions, in positions to score a goal. We're dealing with referees that are quite harsh on us, but we can't worry about that. We've got to concentrate ourselves, not give them an opportunity to keep us out of the game and keep working hard.
Alright, today's game, we came out against Haiti. Jamaica would have been favourites in this game. Got off to a slow start, conceded 2 early goals. What was going through your head when you conceded those goals?
We don't understand. We actually started the game with depth. We started the game on the front foot. Compared to the last game, we started on the front foot. We understood what we were doing in the first 10-15 minutes. We brought the game to them. Unfortunately, they scored two counter-attack goals against us. But our heads didn't drop. We understood that we were still in the game. We were still playing well. We carried on to do so. We'll get the chances to score, and we've done that in the second half. And like I said, we probably should have won the game in the end, but we kept on fighting, and that's the main thing that we never gave up.
Give us a little insight about what coach has said to you guys.
Listen, you understood that what we were going for out there. We said to continue to do the same things, make even more runs in behind, threaten the ball in behind, discredit their back line. I think we've done that. And then we got rewards for it. We continue to work, we'll never give in. With the fans support behind us, keep going.
Grenade and Haiti, what can we expect? What do you think we need to change in order to see?
I don't necessarily need to change much. Like I said, we need to start on the front foot, make teams push them back, and be dynamic in the final third. Obviously take our chances. I feel like we could have crossed the ball a lot more earlier today. I think we tried to work the ball too much into the box. But that will come with more time playing together. And we'll keep on building and keep on getting stronger.
Lastly, because I know you played a long game, you want to go and get this. What was the thought process? What was the decision-making process behind you stepping up and taking that penalty? You were not expecting it.
There was 2 penalty takers. The first one was Demarai Gray. Obviously, Demarai was a bit so I was the next penalty taker. And I'm confident with them. It's not what them out. I'll take them out. I'll take responsibility. Whether I score or miss, to take the opportunity. I think my ability to score it, and I did that. And yeah, it's a thing. So I guess they have good penalty takers on the team. And the coach pushes to get penalty.
Alright, I will take it penalty. Good window. Can't wait to see again.
Yeah.